Good afternoon everyone. Today we will do question number 4th, exercise 1.3, chapter rational numbers. So what is the question number 4? Find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of the number means. Other name is reciprocal. In reciprocal what we will do? Numerator comes in the denominator and denominator comes in the numerator, and the sign remains the same, means if this number is positive, this number remains positive, and if this is a negative rational number, this is also a negative rational number. So very simple, let's do it. Minus 2 by 7. So multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 7 is minus sign remains same, 7 by 2. Minus 20, this is an integer, so write 1 in the denominator. So what is the multiplicative inverse of minus 20? Minus 1 by 20. Minus 7 by minus 8. So this is a positive integer because the sign, both the signs are same. So we will cancel these negative sign, and this we can write in standard form as 7 by 8. So the multiplication of inverse of minus 7 by minus 8 is 8 by 7. हम वही क्वेश्चन नोट करेंगे जो आपको दे रखा है, पर आंसर अकॉर्डिंगली करेक्ट करके लिखेंगे हम. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज multiplicative inverse of 5 by minus 8. So minus sign we have taken in the numerator, minus 8 by 5. Now the multiplicative inverse of 5 by minus 8 is minus 8 by 5. माइनस साइन वैसे ही रहेगा और 8 न्यूमरेटर में चला गया और 5 जो है वो आपका डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया. नाउ दिस minus 3 into minus 4 by 7. So first of all we will find out the product. This is minus minus means 2 times negative sign, 12 by 7, positive product 12 by 7. Now the multiplicative inverse of this question is 7 by 12. Now see class, what you have to take care, whenever you multiply the number by its inverse you must get 1. So let's check from here. This is when you multiply this and this, so 7 is cancelled by 7 and 2 also. Minus 1 into minus 1 becomes 1. Minus 20 into 20 cancel, minus again positive plus 1. Here also when you multiply this by this, 8 by 8 is cancelled, 7 and 7 is also get cancelled, you get 1. When you multiply these two you get answer 1. And here also when you multiply these two, 3, once you cancel by 3, here comes 4, and once you cancel by 4, so this will be cancelled, this also will be cancelled, the answer remains 1. It means you have done all these correct. It is very important class to check your answers whether you have done it right or not. Now let us start the question number 5. This is fill in the blanks. You have to fill the digits. Here minus 22 by 23 multiplied by 19 by 20, and 19 by 20 is written and there is no number. So what you will write here? We know multiplication of rational numbers is commutative in nature, so we will write this number. We can change the order. So here comes minus 22 by 23, and this property is commutative property of multiplication. This is minus 7 into minus 8 by 15. Minus 8 by 15 is written, so we will write here minus 7. The same as question number A. The property name is commutative property. Now this 13 by 7 multiplied by minus 13 by 8 multiplied by 12 by 7. Here these two numbers are given and this is not. Means here the group of these two numbers, and here they have taken group of these two numbers. So which number we have to write? 13 by 7, and the property name is associative property. When we change only the grouping, and multiplication of rational numbers is associative in nature, they hold associative property. Here they have written, this is a gap here, they have written only 5 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 7 and plus sign is given. These two we have to fill ourselves. See, one number is multiplied so many numbers and the sign is here addition. So this number is multiplied by this first, afterwards by this, and then 5 by 9 is multiplied by 4 by 9. So this becomes 5 by 9 multiplied by 2 by 7 plus this sign will come here, 5 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 7. This sign will come here. Then 5 by 9 multiplied by 4 by 7 means 5 by 9 is multiplied 1 by 1 by each number, and this sign will come in between. And the property name is distributive property. This property is called distributive property of rational numbers over addition. ये किस पे है? Addition पे. Now the question number 6 is we have to tell the statements are correct or not. 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 9 and 3 by 9 divided by 2 by 7. Class, we are knowing very well that the division does not hold closure property, does not hold commutative property, and division of rational number does not hold associative property. Means मल्टीप्लाई में एसोसिएटिव, कम्यूटेटिव और क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी तीनों ही होल्ड होती हैं, बट इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन नो प्रॉपर्टी इज होल्ड. वो ना तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी को होल्ड करते हैं, ना ही कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी को, और ना ही एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी को. तो डिवीजन वाले केस में आप जो है अगर आप प्लेस चेंज करेंगे तो आपका आंसर जो है, इसका आंसर डिफरेंट आएगा और इसका आंसर जो है वो आपका डिफरेंट होगा. आप इसको करके देख सकते हैं. मैंने आपको पहले करके दिखाया था जब मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन की थी प्रॉपर्टीज. So what you will not say that these two are equal, these two are unequal. The answer of this and this will not come same. So what we will write, this is false, because division of rational numbers is not commutative in nature. The next is 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 11. These two have taken as a group, and here the last two have taken as the group. We are very well know this thing that the division of rational numbers is not associative, so this will not hold. You can solve in the rough, find out the answer of these two and check yourself whether it is correct or not. False, because division of rational number does not hold associative property. Means division of rational numbers is not associative in nature. Now the next is, now read the question. Divide the sum of -3 by 4 and 5 by 6 by their product. इन दोनों के सम को, सम मीन्स, सम किसको बोलते हैं? सम इज द आंसर ऑफ एडिशन. जब हम 2 और 3 नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं तो जो आंसर आपके पास आता है उसको हम सम बोलते हैं. तो द सम ऑफ दीज 2 नंबर्स बाय देयर प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट क्या, किसका आंसर होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आंसर. उन्हीं नंबर्स को जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उस आंसर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोडक्ट. तो प्रोडक्ट के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सम के लिए ऐड करना है. किन नंबर्स को? इनको. और डिवाइड करना है. किसको किससे डिवाइड करना है? डिवाइड द सम ऑफ दीज टू बाय देयर प्रोडक्ट. मीन्स -3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 द सम डिवाइडेड बाय देयर प्रोडक्ट. उन्हीं नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट से. So we will do the solve this bracket and this bracket separately. So this we will take the LCM for solving this. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. So here comes -9 plus 10, and here it is the multiplication. तो 3 and 6 इसके दोनों 3 से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. तो here comes -1, here comes 2, and then we will multiply the numerators and multiplying the denominator. So here comes -5 by 8. और यहाँ पर फिर ये बाद में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by 12, बिकॉज साइन आर अपोजिट. तो अपोजिट साइन में हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं और साइन बिग नंबर का प्लस आ जाएगा. तो 1 by 12. एंड व्हेन वी सॉल्व द डिवाइड, तो व्हाट इज द स्टेप? वी हैव टू राइट द रेसिप्रोकल. तो डिवाइड साइन चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन एंड द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ दिस नंबर -8 by 5. व्हेन वी सॉल्व दिस, what we will get? -2 by 15. So this is our answer for the question. Now look at the one more question, question number 8. The 8th is, the product of two rational numbers is -21. If one of them is -7, find the other. I told you earlier also class, you have to read the question very carefully, what is given and what you have to find. Here what is given? The first number, that was -7. When the second number is not given, let it be x. So let the second number be x. According to the question, आपको क्या दे रखा है? प्रोडक्ट इक्वल्स टू -21. अब प्रोडक्ट किस नंबर की? फर्स्ट नंबर और सेकेंड नंबर की. तो फर्स्ट नंबर इज -7 एंड सेकेंड नंबर आपने क्या चूज किया है? x. इट मीन्स -7 इंटू एक्स आपका क्या आएगा? -21. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को ओरली करें क्लास, तो -7 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि आपके पास जो आंसर है वो क्या आ जाए? -21. इसका आप ओरल भी बता सकते हैं. When -7 is multiplied by 3, the answer is -21. इसका ये आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा क्योंकि आपका ये नेगेटिव है. तो बट हाउ वी विल सॉल्व? वी विल, when anything is in the multiplication with the x, it will come in the denominator. So you will write, this will come in the denominator, -21 divided by -7. So this becomes, the value of x comes 3. And you can clearly check, -7 into 3 becomes -21. Now look at the last question. This is, if 7 by 6 is multiplicative inverse of -1 by 6. So firstly we will write this number in the improper fraction, -1, 1 by 6. So this will be -7 by 6. Now these two, the value of these two is same. Now we will find out the multiplicative inverse of this number. The multiplicative inverse of -7 by 6 will be -6 by 7. Only the numerator will come in the denominator and denominator will come in the numerator. और साइन वही रहेगा आपका. So the multiplicative inverse of -7 by 6 is -6 by 7. But what they have asked is 7 by 6 is multiplicative inverse of this number. So clearly it is not. So we will write no, 7 by 6 is not the multiplicative inverse of -1 by 6. हम देखते हैं फिर ये है क्या. तो you can see 7 by 6 and -7 by 6 साइन अपोजिट हुआ है केवल, और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एडिटिव इनवर्स. इट मीन्स 7 by 6 is additive inverse of -7 by 6. I hope class every one of you understood the chapter very well. You can ask me if you are not able to understand any question, any concept. Keep revising, do very well, and stay safe at your home. Thank you.